doing tech. So today I'm back with another awesome video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an automatic XP cactus farm or normal cactus farm. So this is the decoration. As you can see, I will explain later. Before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. It's totally free and you can always change your mind. So without wasting my time, let's roll the intro. So guys, for this you need a border. The border will be 11 by 11, as you can see. You can also count it because I will use some diamond blocks and gold blocks. It's gonna easy to count. Okay. So firstly, find the middle block and dig 3 blocks. Okay. After digging 3, place double chest in here. Then place a hopper. Okay. Your work is done. Then cover this. After the border, cover this with some solid blocks. Okay. So yes, after that place sands like this. Okay, so place sands like this. After that place 2 blocks like this. Okay, and then place fence. After placing fence, break those because it's not necessary, it's just temporarily. Okay, so after that do the same thing like in here. Okay, so 2 by 2, then the fence. Okay, so after that place cactus in here. Okay, after that just simply water the corner buckets like this. Okay guys, so I had a mistake that the blocks will be 13 by 11. This area will be 13, this area will be 11. Okay, so the middle block will be this one. I'm extremely sorry for that, guys. Okay, so let's grab a close block. So the middle block will be in here. Wait a second. Okay. After that, do the same thing in here and place cactus. Then fill the corners with water. This one, and make sure it doesn't drop on the hopper. Okay. So there. Okay. So that is it. And don't think the video is ending. Wait some minutes. Okay. So break 3 blocks like this, and then also like this. And take those like this also. Push the chest. Okay, so there's the chest. So take it like this and place torches. Okay. So if you want to add stairs, you can add it. Let me add. Let's add some stairs in here. Okay. So we can go easily in here, and these blocks are not necessary, so you can also you can also don't place it. So okay, so this was the first part. Second part is grab some glass blocks, and make 2 blocks like this. Okay.
Gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
Alright guys, so after that, please do the same thing like here also. Okay, so let's do it. But after that, you just have to remember that you have to leave a gap in here, okay? After that, place hoppers. Okay, so sorry, that was nothing. Okay, after that, do the same thing in here. Okay, so place blocks in here like this. So after doing that, place sense like this. Okay. So this is the total copy of that. So let me fast forward it.
我老了，小蝈蝈来没有？听没说来没有？河下妹子来哟哟咦，小戳戳来没有咦哟？小人身材没有？多苗条来没有？你问个屁那哟哟咦？问多多多来没有咦哟？
太阳出来哟，红丢丢来没有？我家有个没哟哟咦，小板球来没哟咦哟，吃板球没哟，嘴长来没哟，专吃美甲没哟哟咦，小泥鳅来没哟咦哟。
还好我唱这么早啊！小家伙来没有？听我说来没有？做个啥事没有哟咦？当水货来没有咦哟？麦子脾气没有？生得乖来没有？把你拿了没有哟咦？好跟过来没有咦哟？
吃个胖婆没有，不知羞来没有，咋个要来没有哟咦？带板球来没有咦哟，小心板球没有，飞起来来没有，抓住你家没有哟咦。
Okay, guys. So after doing all the things, you just have to fill the rooftop with the slabs. So yes, go to the settings, then go in here and random tick until. So you can see it's going. Yes, let's go down and as you can see, we're getting so much. Oh my god. Okay guys, it's so lagging. Wait a sec. It is so lagging. Okay. So for now, let's just. Oh. Okay. So as you can see, there's so much, like 4 stacks in just 10 seconds. So if you want some green dye, you some furnace, some hoppers. So in the future, I will also people not coming in here, right? Just for test, let me see it. Okay, so just for test, let's grab a stack of cactus. Let's put it in here. Just fill in. And this. Is it going here? Alright. Okay, it's going here. Yep, what's the deal? Green dye. So yeah, that is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video with some also cool tricks. Maybe the next video will about the coal farm, or chicken farm or cow farm, any farm. So comment down below what farms you need. So yes, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, peace out.